Alright, well, here we are at my mate's house and we're getting ready for his birthday tomorrow, and you wouldn't believe what his wife has got him for his birthday. It's gonna be epic. Best birthday present ever. Anyway, let's go and see what it is. I think he's a lucky guy.
Looking at the clutch.
Someone's trying to steal a car.
What?
Someone's trying to steal a car.
Nah, no way.
Yep. They couldn't figure it out.
Do you want to see if it starts and stuff?
Just start it, Christian. Have a
That's
look.
a cool gear stick you got on there.
They've stolen the sound bit. That was you, was that?
No. The sound bit looks different.
Just don't look at it.
Oh, did you fucking put a manual in it? How the f did you do that? You legends.
You're organised now.
I was looking at it. I knew. I think.
Hey, Chris,
so cool.
we were in New Zealand when that
Yeah, we're getting
happened.
that over in New Zealand.
Was it?
Yep.
I was looking at it, I'm like, that doesn't look like an auto box
I
anymore.
fully stole it, manualed it, and brought it back, and I was just finishing off this.
That's awesome.
It's manual.
Yeah. I'm
Take
gonna
it for a
have to.
drive.
Here's a closer look at the manual. It needs a boot around there, so it's pretty tight, and as you can see there, that's not ideal. I'll just show you that with my foot on it. My foot is barely fitting between the rest and the brake pedal, so yeah, a little bit of sorting out to do down there, but all in all, it's sick. Yes! You spent way too much money.
To pay for the excess.
You're like, you should get a computer or something.
What?
Power
Well, I'm like, oh, you should probably get a pair of seats.
Pretty sure just that would have been enough.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Well, I did
This
buy,
would have been enough.
How?
but I did
Yeah.
buy that, and then these two were like, "Give it. You can't do anything with it. It's not a manual." I'm like, "All right, we'll do a manual."
That wouldn't work with an auto, would it?
Yeah.
It's a different computer for the auto.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's awesome.